Central on Nick Jr.
Fire 'em up! Hit it!
For digging, dumping, dozing, you run radio-controlled dirt movers from New Bright with rumbling engines, voices of the crew. The high-tech sound chip makes it sound real. Works with the rechargeable 9.6-volt battery pack for earth-moving power. Up and over, down and dirty. Big power delivers full-function radio-controlled sound and action.
This is great!
Radio-controlled dirt movers from New Bright.
Hero Quest. Deep inside another dimension, face battling barbarians and evil magic on a quest for adventure in a maze of monsters. This is Hero Quest, the fantasy adventure game where winning means mastering the arts of combat.
I'll use my broadsword
And magic.
fire of wrath.
Discover traps and enemies. Uncover secret doors. Once you get into it, you'll never be the same. Hero Quest.
Work it out, see it through.
Nice try.
Bring out the tiger in you.
Let's break, Tony.
You got it.
Winners practice hard and eat smart, like this complete breakfast, including the sweet crunch of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes.
They're great.
Hey, play for the court.
You're on. So show 'em you're a tiger. Show what you can do.
Take it.
Taste the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. Bring out the tiger in you.
And you.
Play Hungry Hungry Hippos!
Fun, 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 fun. They're hungry, hungry hippos.
It's Hungry Hungry Hippos! Whoever gobbles up the most marbles wins!
Hungry, hungry hippos.
Hungry Hungry Hippos from Milton Bradley!
Pretty crimping curls got a new kind of hair. It's easy to curl or braid everywhere.
You don't need heaps of these hot looks. It's easy. Only Pretty Crimping Curl can do it.
Pretty crimping curl. Let's get styling, girl.
Hey,